Encountering problems with iCloud Drive on Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11? Thankfully, there are multiple solutions to help you get back up and running. Fix 1. Enable iCloud Drive. Step 1. Head to the Start menu on the PC and search for iCloud. Step 2. Open it. Look for iCloud settings, and then select it to open up its contents. Step 3. Check the iCloud Drive option, then click the Apply tab. Fix 2. Update Windows version. If your computer is on an older version of Windows, you are at risk of experiencing the issue of iCloud Drive not syncing. To resolve this problem, update the new system by quickly accessing Windows settings, then head to Update and Security. Once done, click on the Updates tab. Fix 3. Update iCloud Drive. If you are still experiencing issues with iCloud, your outdated version of iCloud is to blame. Fortunately, updating is a breeze. Simply head over to Apple's software update in your computer's search bar and check for an available update. Fix 4. Check your Wi-Fi. You need a strong and stable network to have a successful data sync on a PC. If not, the syncing process will not be successful. If you're having a network issue, make use of the built-in service called Network Troubleshooter. To access it, go to Windows Settings, to Network and Internet, then choose Status. After that, look for the Network Troubleshooter option. You can now troubleshoot the network and fix it. Fix 5. Force Stop iCloud. Step 1. Right-click on the taskbar to choose Task Manager. Step 2. When on the Task Manager, scroll down and choose iCloud Services. Afterward, click on the End Task tab on the right side. Fix 6. Sign out and in of your iCloud. Maybe your account is stuck and it's preventing iCloud not to sync. The most important thing is to try signing out of your iCloud account and then back in again. Step 1. Open iCloud on PC from the system tray at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Click on the Sign Out button, then sign in again. Fix 7. Reinstall iCloud. If the problem persists after logging out of your iCloud, try reinstalling the app. It may resolve the problem. To uninstall iCloud from your Windows PC, here are some easy steps. Step 1. On your Windows settings, find Apps and Feature. Step 2. Look for iCloud and click on it, then choose the Uninstall button. Fix 8. Check iCloud status. The issue may not necessarily be your personal computer. It could be a problem on Apple's end. To verify if iCloud Drive is down, visit the Apple System Status page and examine its status in your region. Look at the status next to the iCloud Drive. If it's showing a green dot next to iCloud Drive, it means there's no problem. But if it's red, it implies a problem in your country. So, wait for the problem to be resolved by Apple. Fix 9. Use the Microsoft Store version. The Microsoft Store version of iCloud for Windows offers better features like Files on Demand and iCloud sharing, making it more efficient. If you're having trouble syncing iCloud on your PC, consider upgrading. Alternatively, you can use iCloud Drive directly from the web to quickly upload, download, and share files, or rename folders and documents.